So here we are in part 2, and I established the relationship of part 1, not knowing that was part of part 2. So this is the Word document that I had to establish the post-established relationships in. As you can see, demographic of Puma is related to Zip to Puma by Puma, and Zip to Puma is related to Sidewalk Cafes, 3 zip codes, so we're going to relate those two later. Demographics by Puma and sidewalks to Puma. Let's go to our access document, and like I said before, I'm in a time crunch here because of the only capability of the open source software that I'm using to use a screenshot. Demographic of Puma, sidewalk cafes, tables are all there, and create queries. I just went to create query design, brought up the tables I need to use, and inserted the fields I want, 18 plus, where fields I want, zip name, well, it would be zip code, sorry, city name, whatever. That's what I did to. No, we don't have time. No, we do not want to say that. That's what I did to create. And then I ran the query after. If you create query design, afterwards you can run it. If you create, just press that button, run. Close it again. So that's what I did to create this query, ethnicity by Puma. You have the Pumas here. You have the count of the entity, which is the number of sidewalks, and you have the population by ethnicity: Caucasian, African American, Asian, Hispanic. So this is for each Puma, and this will help us answer some key questions later on about which Puma we want to establish a sidewalk cafe in, what gender we want to target, the gender by the Puma, and the count of entities that are related by Puma, and then the population is just the gender combined. If you notice, 3710 only has one sidewalk cafe in the whole Puma and 150,000 people. If you go in here, 307 has 745 sidewalk cafes and only 139,000 people. So 3710 could be a candidate for where we're going to create a sidewalk cafe for the company. And again, these will help us answer the questions from our report. Which Pumas provide the best opportunities to open a sidewalk cafe or multiple? Should we target male or females? And which ethnicity should we target? So we're going to export these into an Excel document. I'm sorry. Okay, the same thing. Open it. I'll make that. And boom. It didn't work out because close. Had the report open. Sorry, we did the query. It will work. Export, yes, okay, boom, there you go. And I did that for the other two to create all the tables in one Excel document, combine them, and there you have part 2 of the business analytics assignment. And going forward, this will help us answer these pivotal questions using statistics too in part 3, and statistical tools like histograms, pivot tables, to figure out which ethnicity, which gender, and where should we target, and where we should open up a sidewalk cafe.